Let's invite Tanushree onto the stage from first class. Who is ready with Hindi words?
Hello everyone, my name is Tanushree. I am studying first class in Shantiniketa English medium school, Govinda. I am telling about Hindi word anar, pomegranate, ajaka, quote, amra, gava, mango, admi, man, aloo, potato, imali, tamil, etra, perfume, उलियाजी cardamom, ink, sugar cane, ईश्वर, God, ant, brick, on, उदर, stomach, उतार, heart, उंगली, मोटा, उद्बत्ती, instance, ऋषि, sage, ऋषभ, ox, उक्ष, bear. Thank you everyone. Well done. Give her a good applause.